Isabel the Demon Child Part 2. Okay, go.
Boobie, boobie, every day. Boobie, 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 boo, 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 boobie, boos, boozy, boos. Chicken boobies, chicken boobies, and clap.
Oh my god! Chicken boobies!
Hit that boobies everywhere. Hit that boobies everywhere. Boo, 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 blah, 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 blah. And put them on the leash.
What does that mean? I love to roll
Because
them.
I love my leash. Because I love leashes. I love leashes on my butt.
Isabel,
I do have a button tee.
Turn around.
Isabel, wait, what does this all mean?
What does it mean?
Boo 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 boos.
Boo-boos?
Boobies?
No boo boos.
Boo-boos?
Boo boos every day. Boo boos every day.
Is that the end? You done?
I think we're done.